This is the T900 Smartwatch and it's both an upgrade and downgrade from the T500 Smartwatch. It comes in this plain white box with just a T900 sticker and the Apple Watch image. Inside the box is the user manual which you should read so you can know the full control functions. Next is the micro USB cable attached to a magnetic charging dock which is slightly bigger and more comfortable to use than the T500. The silicone band straps are detachable, which means you can easily change it to your favorite design and color later. Finally, we have the smartwatch in a plastic protection. I got the black color because it fits well with my nature and style. Matte black everything. That's all we have in the box. This is an Apple Watch clone, and so you will notice some bezels at the sides. The display has been improved to a more colorful dynamic graphical user interface just like the T500 Plus. It still has a 1.54 inches 240 by 240 42mm display size. There are two menu styles modes, the Apple style and the round corner list style, which looks cool. Also, some major settings like the display, volume, sound and gesture has been brought to the home screen for quick, easy shortcut access. Raise to wake LCD works accurately according to my test, but the sensitivity level is not as good as the T500 smartwatch. Google Assistant or Apple Siri voice activation has been added to the app menu. You can easily give instructions and the audio input is very accurate. Swiping left or right takes you to the app's menu, while swiping up gives you quick control access to the battery status, flashlights, Bluetooth, voice assistant, smartphone finder and DND mode. You can press and hold the display to switch between watch faces, and there are up to 11 watch faces to choose from. You cannot add any more watch face, but the M2wear app allows you to customize or edit a watch face to your taste or style. Just go to the M2wear settings and click on dial management to access the watch face and edit or customize. This is a downgrade from the T500 smartwatch where you can keep adding more watch faces without deleting the pre-existing watch face style. The M2wear app can be installed from the Google Play or Apple Store. After installation of the M2wear app, switch on the Bluetooth mode in the smartwatch and also on your phone. Then go to search new device in the smartwatch. Then click on your phone name to activate pairing. Check the access box and pair. Click yes for the message access request. You have to make sure that all settings are turned on. Go back to the M2wear app and allow access to all prompts or pop-ups. Enable notification access for the M2wear app. Click on Mine Profile at the bottom right corner and add device. Then click on T900. Click on OK to bind the smartwatch to the M2wear app. The smartwatch is now fully connected to the phone. The same approach goes for connecting Apple iPhones. The M2wear app gives you access to your health status like your motion, sleep, and heart rate records. The steps and calorie counter functions well with near accurate results, but unlike the T500, there's only one sports mode through the smartwatch. You will have to use the M2wear app with the smartwatch to perform other daily exercises like walking, running, cycling, and indoor trading. The automatic heart rate measurement measures your heart rate at regular time intervals. The heart rate monitor is a little off in its calculations, and I don't advise you to rely on the readings, but it is more accurate than the T500 smartwatch. There's no blood pressure monitor, and the sleep monitor didn't work during my testing. There's also a remote shutter app for taking photos with the smartwatch through the M2wear app. The Bluetooth music app works fine as you can easily control the volume, play, pause and skip tracks, but it only plays the sound through the tiny smartwatch speaker, which is surprisingly audible but with low volume as expected. Here's a sample. The shiny and glossy frame is actually made from aluminum alloy, which gives it a premium look and feel. Fixing the flexible silicone straps is very easy with just sliding carefully through the right slot, and same thing for the left slot. I love how it properly fits my big wrist. The overall weight is just 50 grams, which is lightweight. At the back are the charging pins and the well-designed sensor compartment with some specs inscriptions around it. To the right is the digital crown, which can serve as power or home button, with a Regis label that adds beauty to it. It has a microphone to the side, and this time there's a dedicated and functioning back button. At the left is just the speaker. The smartwatch also supports Bluetooth call multifunctions, which allows you to access your phone call logs, contacts or phone books, phone messages, and make or receive calls through the smartwatch. Apart from making calls through the phone book or call logs, you can also dial a number in the smartwatch, and the microphone and speaker provides a good call quality, and the speaker's sound is a little bit louder and clearer than the T500 smartwatch. It is prompt and accurate when displaying all notifications, and I like how well it displays them for easy reading and understanding. You can also find your lost watch with the M2wear app, and in return, find your smartphone with the watch, which is pretty standard but still cool. The battery capacity is 200 mAh, and from my experience, the battery life with Bluetooth connection is about 6 to 8 hours depending on your activity. But if you are just checking the time and steps counter without Bluetooth connection, it can last you up to a day. Standby time is 2 days. Only the two tiny pins in the charging dock is magnetic, and so you need to always charge facing down with the charging dock placed on a surface for easier alignment. The charging time is about 1 hour. In conclusion, if you already own the T500 smartwatch, there's no need to upgrade except you want to experience the colorful user interface, bigger font sizes, better speakers, voice assistant, the functioning dedicated back button, the feature-packed M2wear app, better charging dock size, and better sensor accuracy. Please feel free to ask questions and I'll be glad to respond. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, remain humble and stay safe. Bye.